Hello guys, and in this video we will see how to match reserved characters in regular expression. So what are reserved characters? Reserved characters are characters which have predefined meaning. For example, if you want to match the string digit plus digit, generally we will use slash t plus slash t. And since plus have a predefined meaning, that is plus is a quantifier which allows slash d, that is first slash d, to repeat more than one time. So hence plus has a special meaning and we cannot use this plus directly. So instead of that we have to escape that predefined meaning using slash operator. So instead of using slash d plus slash d, we have to use slash d slash plus and slash d. So I will show this with example. So in this case, the string is 5 plus 2 and we have to match a digit and a plus sign followed by the digit. So when you execute this, you can find that there is no match for this particular pattern because this plus is acting as a quantifier for the first slash d. So that is the meaning of this particular pattern is first slash d can be repeated one or more times and it should end with a digit. And to override the default meaning of plus, what we need to do is we have to place escape sequence before plus. That is, now this plus no longer behaves as a quantifier. Now this plus will match the occurrence of a plus string. So now if you run this code, you can see that 5 plus 2 is get caught in this particular pattern. And the first question is we have to find all the strings of the pattern A plus B. Since we need to check for more than one value, we no longer use the concept of string. So now we will convert this string into list and then we will change the code. And we will change the code by using a for loop which runs throughout our list and each item is being checked in the for loop. Now instead of A, it is going to be I. Now the question is we have to find all the strings which have a number followed by a plus operator and followed by a number. So now the pattern is going to be slash t plus. And now this plus is going to be a quantifier for this because we need to find more than one digit also. Okay, so and there is going to be a plus string followed by any number of digits. So now this plus should match a string plus, so I will escape using a slash. So now this is our required pattern. So when you run the code, you can see that first, third and fourth is being matched, whereas the second is not matched. The next question is we have to find all the strings which is ending with question mark. And the logic is first it can have any number of characters, so you will use a plus quantifier for that, and at last it should end with a question mark. Since question mark is having a predefined meaning, we have to escape that with using escape operator, and now if you run you will get the required answer. And the next question is we have to match all the strings present inside parentheses. Now the required pattern will be the string should start with the open bracket and it should close with the open bracket. So in between there can be any number of characters. So for that I will use slash w plus. We observe that this open parenthesis and close parenthesis have predefined meaning. So we have to escape that using escape operator. So when you run this, you will get the required output.